Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs of 5th and 6th September 2022 in English. So first of all we will discuss about the national current affairs news. So Meghalaya CM means Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma has launched a new scheme that is known as the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme. And this scheme is for farmers to earn a sustainable livelihood through different livestock farming activity like pig farming etc. And the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Conrad Konkal Sangma. Governor of Meghalaya is Satyapal Malik. So Meghalaya Chief Minister has launched a new scheme that is known as the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme. Next, the Government of India has approved the celebration of Hyderabad Liberation Day. So, the Government of India has approved the annual commemoration of Hyderabad Liberation Day for the year 2022 to 2023, and the goal is mainly to raise the awareness of tale of sacrifice, heroism and resistance among the current generation of India as a whole as well as in the region under the study. So Government of India had decided to celebrate the 75th anniversary as the Hyderabad Liberation Day. Next is the CCRAS has started a new program that is known as the Spark program in order to promote the innovative research in Ayurveda. So CCRS means Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences. It has started a new initiative or new program that is known as the Studentship Program for Ayurveda Research Kendra. That is full form of Spark. For it is mainly for the Ayurveda students in recognized Ayurveda colleges. Next is the central government had decided to give the female staff for 60-day maternity leave in early child death. So the government is decided to give the female staff a special maternity leave for 60 days in the case when the baby is lost before or during delivery. And this decision is taken by the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. Next is the IndusInd Bank and ADB, Asian Development Bank, has collaborated to improve the financing for suppliers chain. So the IndusInd Bank and ADB means Asian Development Bank, has collaborated for promote of the supply chain solution in India. IndusInd Bank chairman is the Arun Tiwari and IndusInd Bank CEO is the Sumant Kathpalia. Next is the in UP, Bhartaul becomes the first village in the state to have RO water in the every household. Bhartaul is located in the Bhitri Chainpur block of Bareilly and it has around 7,000 people and every household is provided with clean and safe RO water. And this installation of RO has been under the Adarsh Gram Panchayat initiative, enabling the village to get a clean drinking water. Next, the unemployment rate has fallen from 7.6% in April to June this year, according to the National Statistics Office (NSO). The unemployment rate had declined to 7.6% during April-June 2022 from 12.6% a years ago, means previous year. So the India will emerge the third largest economy of the world by 2029. It was predicted by the State Bank of India report. The State Bank of India predicted that India will soon become the third largest economy in the world by suppressing Germany and most likely the Japan by 2029. Currently, India at the 5th position. Next, the Rajnath Singh will visit the Mongolia for the first time. So, the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will visit the Mongolia for the first time and he will also travel to Japan for the 2+2 ministerial dialogue. Next, the nation's means India's first ever night sky sanctuary is to be set up in Ladakh region. So India's first ever night sky sanctuary will be set up within the next 3 months in the Hanle in Ladakh, and main purpose of this is to observe the dark sky reserve that will be located at the Hanle in Ladakh, and it will mainly boost the astro-tourism. Next, we shall discuss about the international news. So, Dubai will host the first Homeopathy International Health Summit. So, for the first time, the first Homeopathy International Health Summit will be hosted by the Dubai and Burnett Homeopathy Private Limited. It is a company that deals with the homeopathic dilution, mother, tincture, lower, trituration tablets, etc. Next, we shall discuss about the book launched. So, a book that is titled Divorce and Democracy, A History of Personal Line Post-Independence India. It is written by the Soumya Saxena. So the book name is The Divorce and Democracy, A History of Personal Line Post-Independence India. It is written by the Soumya Saxena. Next, we shall discuss about the death of important personalities. So the noted historian B. Sheikh Ali has passed away, and he was the General President of the Indian History Congress at its 47th session in 1986. Next is the former Tata Sons chairman Cyrus Mistry has passed away due to the road accident. So Cyrus Mistry, former Tata Sons chairman, has passed away due to road accident. Next is the important days celebrated. So International Day of Charity has been observed on 5th September. So the International Day of Charity is observed on the 5th September because on this day it is the death anniversary of the Mother Teresa. Next is the National Teachers Day. It has been celebrated on 5th of September, and this National Teachers Day or Shikshak Divas that marks the birth anniversary of first Vice President of India and second President of India, that is the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He has been awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954, but he was born on 1888, but Teachers Day was first celebrated in the year 1962 on his 77th birthday. The theme of National Teachers Day 2022 is Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. Next, we shall discuss about the award. So, former US President Barack Obama has won the Emmy Award for his narration in Netflix documentary that is named as Our Great National Parks, and he already has won the 2 Grammy Award. Next, we shall discuss about the appointment related news. So, Captain B.K. Tyagi has been named as the new CMD of Shipping Corporation of India. So, Captain Binesh Kumar Tyagi has been named as the new chairman and managing director of Shipping Corporation of India Limited. Shipping Corporation of India Limited headquarters is in Mumbai, and Shipping Corporation of India Limited was founded in 2nd October 1961 in Mumbai. Next, the Secretary General of Lok Sabha Utpal Kumar Singh has taken the charge of Sansad TV. So Utpal Kumar Singh has become the CEO of Sansad TV. Next, we shall discuss about the sports related news. So Leh will host the first ever Mountain Bicycle World Cup. So Leh will host the first ever Mountain Bicycle World Cup. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and